Okay, so I'm going to show you how to tone an image, and I'm going to do what I always like to do, and I'm going to make a duplicate of my background. So I'm going to click on that and drag it to the button that looks like a folded piece of paper. And to tone an image, it's right here under adjustments. So it's that little box. It's the furthest one on the right. It says create a new gradient map adjustment layer. So I'm going to click on it. The default is usually black and white. As you can see, my image just changed to black and white. There's a lot more interesting things that you can do other than black and white. So go ahead and click on it on the arrow. I'm going to click to the little gear, and I'm going to go down and select Photographic Toning. And I'm going to click OK. So photographic toning are all of the different types of tones you can change your photo to. So we have a nice brown, we have a blue, we have like a pink or a peach. And toning originates in traditional black and white photography. When you were actually doing it with chemicals, you could create dyes, put dyes on it. If we had a black and white lab, you could do it for different kinds of dyes. But obviously this is digital, so this is how we do it. We're going to be changing the actual pixels. So toning is a really cool way that you can change the overall look of it, give it a different effect, the overall photograph. So on the gear, there's all those different types that you can select. Go ahead and click on pastels and see what happens. Yeah, there's all these crazy different looks with the pastels. You can scroll through and see all of them. You could definitely go overboard with it with the toning. So I would stick with more of a traditional tones where it says photographic toning button. So maybe I'm going to go with a brown, like sort of a sepia or rustic brown. And I'm just going to go ahead and click out of there so you can see it better. And that's essentially how you do toning.